Leo, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the June mid-month reading. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel, and you guys are amazing. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. If it helps me a lot, okay? And yeah, I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah, let's start your reading. This is for the Leo people for the mid-month. June mid-month. Okay, so let's see what is coming for the Leos. Wow, Aquarius, this is your natural salmon. So let's see if it's coming in your reading. This is for the Leo people. Leos. Line of the tarot, Three of Swords. Okay, let's see. Eight of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, right in the heart of your spread. Wow. Queen of Wands, Nine of Swords, Justice, World. Beautiful. Okay, so yeah, some of you are dealing with a person, Leo, who is having hard time to let go of you. Yeah, who is having hard time, really hard time. They're feeling sad, they're feeling ignored, they can't sleep, they are continuously thinking about you, and you are not in contact with them. You are busy in your stability, in making your money, and with this Eight of Pentacles and Two of Pentacles, you want the Ten of Pentacles, and that's why you're moving forward. You don't care about the person because they have really they have given you this, and you want this. That's why you're moving forward, and you're not looking back. This is not looking back, which is great. Don't look back. With the Five of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, and the Queen of Wands, definitely you are not giving any kind of F to them. Yeah, because you are really busy to working on your passion and to manifest which you are very passionate about, which makes you happy, which makes you emotionally stable. Yeah, which can give you light internally. With the Nine of Swords, Justice, and the World card, you think that you just don't want to think about them, okay, and you are trying to be balanced because you think that if you are in this kind of energy, you will attract new things, new beautiful happy things, and stable things in your life. Yeah, Leo, you are trying to be balanced because you know that new things are coming your way. Must be Capricorn, Libra, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio you are dealing with. Let's see what is this Three of Swords here. What are the Three of Swords are doing here for the Leo? Emperor, Aries, King of Pentacles, Six of Swords. So, Six of Pentacles. They were not giving you enough. They have had this thing. Like they are capable of this, but they were giving you this because of their ego. Yeah, definitely. And you were on King of Pentacles. You are also very stable, but a little bit less than them because they are the Emperor. But you are very grounded at the same time, and they are having big ego. That's why you have moved on. That's why you have moved on. What is this Two of Pentacles? Page of Cups, King of Swords, Page of Wands. Yeah, you are having now universe is giving you new ideas, new opportunities, new offers. Must be anything, but you are very busy and you are using your intuition at the same time. With the King of Swords energy, you are very logical, you are very practical, because we have pentacles here and we have swords here, and you are trying to be practical because You want success, and you know that practice can give you the success. That's why you're keep continuously doing work, and you're using your mind, your intuition. Wow. So you are in working mode, Leo, which is great. What is this 10 of cups here? What is this 10 of cups? Yeah, 10 of cups for the Leo, please. Right in the heart of the spread. Pages, 5 of swords, moon, queen of pentacles. Yeah, the person you are dealing with just love their ego. They love their ego. They want to be win at any cost from you, because they think that this is their, they have to be like, you have to be loser and they have to be winner in whatever kind of situation. So this kind of vibe I'm getting from this 5 of swords and the emperor energy. 5 of swords with the where is this emperor, is really big ego person, but you are trying to be grounded at the same time, because with the king of pentacles and with the queen of pentacles, you are trying to be grounded. You don't want to fight with this person. You want to be in the higher vibration energies, and you know that some things are not in front of you, some things are hidden from you, but you have faith in the universe, and that's why you're trying to be grounded, because you know whatever is hidden from you, that will be for your higher good. Wow, Leo, you are very mature. Beautiful. What is this queen of wands doing here for the Leo? This wants to come out. 8 of swords, ace of cups, ace of pentacles. Okay, so for some of you, don't feel bound, don't feel stuck, because you are moving forward with this beautiful queen of wands energy. Very passionate, very fiery energy you're having right now. So use it for the victory, use it for your betterment, because new things are coming your way which are very beautiful. For some of you, it must be a new love offer. For some of you, it must be a new stable offer of business, and for some of you, it is a new offer for business, but you will met someone new for the love. So don't feel stuck, because these are just illusions, and you are overcoming all these illusions and hidden things. Okay, what is this justice about? Temptation, transformation, 3 of pentacles. Here is the lovers card of the tarot, which is Gemini. Some of you are dealing with Gemini. Capricorn is twice here with the world and the temptation, because this is the devil of the tarot, and Scorpio is also here. So Leo, I'm feeling that this justice will end all those karmic ties, because these are karma. You can see that. So you are ending all those karmic patterns and all those karmic ties with the karmic partner, and that will change the situation for you. And after that, there will be someone who want to collaborate with you, and who want to have this new beginning with you. Yeah, they have the intentions of a new beginning with you, because they think that you are very loyal, and they know that it will be a healthy connection with you. Yeah. Wow. So let's see, what is this new world card? What is this world card here for the Leo? 6 of pentacles, 4 of pentacles, empress. Yeah, this is your abundance coming. See, you want new things coming to your way, those are coming. You want balance is coming. Just you have to do, don't hold back, be within yourself. Okay, don't self-sabotage, because abundance is coming your way. You have to be in the receiving mode, you have to be in the giving mode, because you have to give to the other, so that the circle can continue. Universe wants to give you, but you have to make the space for the abundance. So you have to let go of some things which are not for your higher good, which are not beneficial for you. You have to let go of those things, persons, karmic partners, whatever is this, you have to let go, and you know it very well. Okay, So beautiful reading, but this is very strong reading for you, because you are now a mature person with the Queen and King of Pentacles. You are trying to balance your grounded nature of divine feminine, divine masculine energies, and at the same time new loves are coming your way, new offers are coming your way, and you will be happy to have these, because you have faith in the universe. You know that whatever is hidden from you, that is for your benefit, that is for your higher good. So it's great reading for you, Leo. I am feeling happy to do this reading for you. This is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.